Only Allah is not worshipable, not not worship or worthy for worship. Bilkul Allah is a terrorist. Allah is a killer. Though Allah is created by Muhammad, but suppose once a moment that Allah is there, that Allah is the killer and the rapist and the groups of the rapist. He provokes the Muslim to the rape, killing, and the robbery of the wealth. He provoked the Muhammad for this all heinous crime, which I have stated before. We have stated these heinous crimes. Neither drowners nor seal overtake him. Allah never drowned, but Allah was slept. When the Muhammad one teeth was broken, or Allah could not help the Muhammad, his own prophet, sent by Allah, so-called Allah. Allah is so incapable to save God for the Muslims, because in Gaza mostly the Muslims are killed by the Israel Indian Defense Forces, and these all the Muslims which are killing in the Gaza are the descendant of the Prophet Muhammad teaching, that are the rapist, killer and the robbers, and they committed the crime of the 7th October 223 on that day when the Jews were celebrating their festivals. Their women were killed and raped by these Islamic goons, because Allah has a gang of the robbers, killers, and the rapists in the shape of the Muslims, true Muslims. Now, he belonged to whatever the heaven and whatever earth. He does not belong anything, because there is no Allah at all. Who could possibly intercede with him without his permission? Well, we can intervene. That Allah cannot do even single harm to me. And my curse to Allah, my lanat to Allah, my lanat to Muhammad, my lanat to all true Muslims. But Allah cannot save you, because you are certified criminals, and the law of the India or law of the country has power to punish you, except the Islamic countries, because these countries are following the rapist theory of the Muhammad bin Abdullah in the name of the Allah. So this is the 15 verses of the Quran which I stated to you. Thank you very much. See you. Best of luck.